Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the common mistakes that most of the candidates do during their psych test in SSB. So सबसे पहले common mistake वो करते हैं कि character का proper empowerment नहीं करते हैं. When writing your TAT stories, वो characters को identify नहीं कर पाते हैं अपनी age के around and they make character beyond their age or below their age. So first mistake is to empower your character as per your age. Second mistakes that while writing the stories that the candidate do is not writing adequate actions. They are just doing the talking or discussion thing. So there has to be action-based story. Third thing is during the writing of the story, when you create what led to the situation, it has to be short problem-based or short situation-based, which needs immediate action. It cannot be long situation-based or long-term solution-based. That के अलावा जब हम WATs पे जाते हैं तो WATs पे most of the candidates write it in form of कि he, she, they use pronouns, they give suggestions, ज्ञान देते हैं जो ज्ञान नहीं देना होता. You have to write observational sentences. Observational sentences as in कि अगर आपको कोई word देता है तो उसके अराउंड आप observe क्या करते हो. जैसे book अगर word है तो book के अराउंड सबसे पहले अगर if I am a student तो मैं observe करूँगा library, so library enhances the productivity. इस टाइप के sentences आपको लिखने होते हैं. Coming to SRTs, SRT is a test of your real based thinking, logical and approach. How do you deal with the situation? Most of the candidates what they do is वो अकेले situations को deal कर रहे होते हैं, which is not the appropriate way. You are not alone in your life. How can you deal with a situation all alone? You have people always around you. Even if you are traveling in a train, you have people around yourself. Even if you are sitting with your friend somewhere going, you are not alone. You have to be with the people because people is your first resource. Now the last test, which is the SD test. SD test में सब most of the candidates write similar things, but how your SD is different from the other candidate depends on how you are presenting your self-description. As an example, when you write in most of the पहली line sentence होती है candidates की सबसे पहली होती है I am a responsible son. My parents think I am a responsible son. But how you are a responsible son? For a 10+2 entry candidate, a responsibility, a parent seeing his son or daughter to be responsible can be a different way. For a graduate or he a working professional can be a different way. तो अलग अलग तरह से आपको प्रेजेंट करना होता है रिस्पॉन्सिबल कैसे हैं आप. इसमें सबसे बेस्ट तरीका होता है कि आप एचडी में अपना वो दें, एग्जाम्पल दें, 1 से 2 एग्जाम्पल. 4+1 का कॉन्सेप्ट फॉलो करें. 4 क्वालिटीज, 1 थिंग विच दे वांट टू इंप्रूव इन यू एंड इट शुड बी एग्जाम्पल बेस्ड. इट कैन नॉट बी जस्ट स्पीकिंग अबाउट कि आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल, आई एम हार्ड वर्किंग, आई एम so and so forth. And that's all that the candidate. I wish you all the best for your preparation and thank you.